Providing a wide range of tools for booking office workspaces is essential for successful hybrid working. That's why we like ResourceXpress. If you're already using Microsoft 365, ResourceXpress lets you build on this service to book team spaces, individual desks, parking spaces, and more. In addition to using Outlook, your workforce can make bookings using a web app, mobile app, off-the-shelf or bespoke screens outside meeting rooms, overview kiosks in foyers, desk devices, or even strategically placed QR codes. Whichever platform you use, finding and booking the optimal workspace is super easy. Need a video conferencing room for 8 people? No problem. Filters let you rapidly home in on the optimum workspace for your visit. Want a desk near a window or close to the coffee area? Interactive floor plans show your office layouts at a glance, helping you get your bearings in a new or reworked office. Want to catch up with a colleague when you visit the office? The Find option lets you see when they're next in the office and where they'll be sitting, so you can book a seat nearby. The QR code scanning option turns your mobile phone into a convenient, contactless device for both booking and checking in. ResourceXpress. No other solution gives you as much flexibility and choice for powering up your new hybrid office space.